Welcome again to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where the fans of the dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel is wondering if he's okay after he released a song Not Okay. When we return, we'll discuss that plus review the song right here on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. But it seems like Vybz Kartel has flipped the script once more on his fans after the release of this song Not Okay. Right now we're about to review this song on our program Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Then we're about now to discuss this song after it has garnered so much views since May 30, since its release. Has garnered more than 500,000 views. That's 500,000 views in just a matter of days. So right now we're about us to examine this song, review it, and just let you fans get a feel of this song, even though it has totally been stripped totally based on the fact that it has garnered different and mixed reactions based on what this song is saying, and the beat itself has totally shocked fans. Let's go over to that right now.
Do you think of me sometimes? Are you wondering if I'm okay? No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. Lost in space and time, most days. I miss everything about you. Do you think of me? Do you think of me? Do you think of me sometimes? Do you think of me sometimes? Are you wondering if I'm okay? No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay.
Alright, there you have it. The song that has been creating waves on social media, the new Vybz Kartel, Not Okay. What do you think about it, the viewers? This song has so far been one of the most weirdest song I've ever seen Vybz Kartel did throughout his musical career. The song though has a really good beat to it, I must say. Even though it's not a dancehall type of song, it's more like a rock song, as some comment in the comment section stated that it's like some high school song itself. But it's a very good song, and I believe it just goes to show you the versatility and the creativity of the dancehall star. I'm gonna be dropping on Vybz Kartel YouTube right now, just in order to give you some of the comments that people have been saying just so far. And one person said that this song sounds like some American high school movie song. So the song itself has been getting misreaction, and even in the comment section below the song, some people are stating that the song sounds like a high school movie thriller song. Some is stating that someone really need to check on Vybz Kartel if he's alright, and those are just some of the comments in the comment section. Some is stating that the song sounds like a theme song for a high school / college movie, and these are just some of the comments coming out. Even one individual wrote underneath the video that someone really need to check on Vybz Kartel, that they're very concerned about him. But however, the song has garnered so much views within a short space of time, and I believe that this song will be a smasher out there, even though it might not be to the like of many, but people are still watching, they're listening to the words of the song. song and just anticipating what's next to come from the dancehall star. But as it stands right now, the song is doing very well, garnered more than 500,000 views just so far. And these are just some of the comments that people have been stating online, and it's just one of those things that Vybz Kartel is just showing his versatility. And someone even commented that this song need a music video right now. So some people are liking the song, some are not, so it's just mixed reactions as it relates to the whole entire song itself. But looking at the comment section, there are mostly positive comments coming out of that, even though I read some of the negative one. But people still have a like for the song, and even though it has not garnered well with many of the fans as well, this song sounds like a Fallout song. And these are just some of the comments that are been going on social media. However, the song has been getting crazy rotation on the radio and also online as well. So you can just drop it in the comment section. How do you feel about this new song from Vybz Kartel and his upcoming album as well, which is slated to release on June 26th? Divas and Done. That is a greatly anticipated album right now. So just drop it in the comment section. How do you feel about this song? Do you like it? Do you think that this is Vybz Kartel's style? Do you think that Vybz Kartel switched the script too much on this one? Just drop it in the comment section. Let us know how you feel. I know how I feel about the song. It's a very good song, even though it's not the contemporary dancehall type of flow that we are used to. This is like more like a rock song, but he's just showing his versatility within the music. But just let me know how you feel in the comment section. All right, I'm out for now on this one. Links to WSM TV. Have a blessed and productive day.